We're whipping up a special potion in our magic lamp. Now for a few finishing touches. Seal it up and give it a good rub. Wow, it's Jax! Do we still get 3 wishes? Well, since you're already here, you might as well go to school. Let's check your phone. Oh, hey, let go. Ooh, now that's gotta hurt. I know. Roll up some bubble gum and place a tiny spring on top. Add to the phone and another. And a balloon's worth of glitter. You know, this piece could be a great swimsuit. It's fun to play with, even during a call. Hey, buddy, keep your teeth to yourself. What an ankle biter. We gotta defend ourselves. Okay, now, batter up. Now that's a home run. Not so scary now, are you? I know. Let's add some gum inside these gums. Now for some eyes and a top hat. Let's spring for the full body treatment. And it's our old pal Caine. Please don't tell me you laid another egg. Wait, it's a tiny toilet with plasticine inside. Let's roll it up into a tiny ball. Carve out a mouth and add some eyes. Some long ears and a body. And soon, Jax has got a mini-me. But he could use some overalls. Much better. A tiny Jax for a tiny toilet. Don't forget the toilet paper. Time for class. Circus College is in session. Hey, ever heard of personal space? Well, if you're feeling tired, you should try this face pillow. It's even got a little armrest. Sorta. And we can't let the teacher notice. Uh-oh, Pomni's got a pimple, and it's popping time. Oh, come on, Pomni, you gotta stay still. Wait, stop. Let's try this picture frame instead. If you've got a need to pop, well, grab a glue stick and cut off a slice from the top. Wrap it up with some paper or tissue. And make sure to poke a hole on top. Make a bunch and place them on the face. Now for the big moment. Get popping. I think we're gonna need some refills. Hey, what's that? Oh, a Pomni plush, I think. We probably should clean you up. Let's start with some fresh toothpaste. And spray on foam for an extra touch. Pretty soon, Pomni will look brand new. And she wants to tell you something. Ooh, you've got something inside? A candy eyeball. Oh, it packs a punch. But now, let's seal you back up. But how'd you even get that eye?
What?
Uh-oh, let's not tell Caine. Now remember, Jax, no food. Are you hiding something? Do you just have a sore tooth? I guess Caine could understand that. Come on in. Besides, it's just a tooth. A piece of tooth candy, that is. And look, you can use it to blow bubbles. Uh-oh, I think you lost a real one. Ooh, Pomni's got a new game. Oh, careful. Oh no, is it okay? Oh, the screen's all cracked. I think Jax owes Pomni a new phone. We need to check our resources. Find anything? Wait, a Cardboard Pomni. Let's open her up down the middle. Grab a pencil and add a few holes. Now add some sticks to make levels. It's a maze. Try to get the ball through. Maybe you should let Pomni play? I mean, you kinda owe it to her. Ooh, I think she's won a prize. Wow, Pomni needs to clean her locker. His lucky rabbit's foot. He's only got 2 of them. But he's got what you need, a magnetic sheet. Look, it keeps all your metal things in place. It does half the organizing for you. Looks like Pomni's a hugger. Wow, Jax sure loves his snacks. Sweet and salty. If only it stayed in his mouth. Uh-oh, there's a no food rule here, too. At least you still have the plastic lid. How about we punch out some holes? Should be enough. Let's see what we got. Add the lid for a fun confetti toy. Save the leftovers for a parade. Oh, great self-portrait. Could use some purple. Oh no! And that was your last paintbrush! But we've got a backup. Roll on deodorant. Pour some paint inside and close it up. Now give it a good shake. And it's time to let the fun paints roll. Wow, your portrait looks great. Uh-oh, this is why we need a label maker around here. Of course, you really shouldn't get it on your clothes. Ooh, Jax is getting hungry, but we're low on snacks. Got any ideas? Pens? Got any other ideas? Pomni's looking for her pens. Well, I think you just found them. Ooh, looks like Pomni's got a backup. Huh, well, why don't we fill it up with water? Maybe some food coloring? And a few drops of baby oil. Why don't you seal it back up? And it's a lava lamp in the palm of your hand. Why not make a bunch in different colors? But maybe we should give them to Pomni. After all, they were her pens in the first place. Happy birthday, Pomni! What the? She's gone! Don't worry, Detective A is on the case. What's this? A missing poster? This was planned. And right now, everyone's a suspect. Aha! You've been caught red-handed. Not only that, there's even a trail. I think we should follow it.
What?
Aha! It's jam! Strawberry, I think. Possibly cherry. Oh, it's O! And he can use some astringent. Ooh, this one's getting a big squeeze. Wait, something's inside. Think it's a clue? Hold on, it's a tiny Pomni head. Let's look for more clues. Get popping. Oh, every blackhead's a dead end. Wait, it made an arrow. Make that arrows. It's a sign. Quick, let's follow them. Someone's in the shadows. But who? Lazy readers? Put them on. They can help. Oh, who is it? Wait, it looks like Caine. Hold it right there, Tooth Boy. Drop your carpet. Wait, inside, it's L. Oh no! L, buddy, speak to us. Quick, get your gloves. We're going in. He's full of instant noodles. Could be evidence. And that's not all. He's got a key. Wonder what it's for. Forgetting something? He can use a brand new heart. Now let's sew him up and see if it works. Oh, it worked! All he needed was a little love. Now back to the key. Let's see where it fits. Uh-oh, we set off the alarm. Oh, there's gotta be a way out of here. Oh, there's so many locks. Which is the one we need? Gotta start somewhere. Okay then. Looks like we gotta be careful. This one looks important. Great! The floor is lava! Knew that game would come in handy someday. Maybe the magic potty will help.
Ew.
I mean, it's got slime and whatever this is. Well, whatever it is, we're cutting it up. Wait a minute. It's another key. Hold on. I think we found our lock. It worked! Finally, let's get out of here. Now where are we? Hear something? Jinkies! It's a mirror and a mummy! Wait, that mummy looks familiar. It's Anne. Who tied you up? What? They're behind me? Oh, Caine again! Just what is he up to? Our back Pocket to the rescue. Grab a whole bunch of toilet paper. Keep it coming. We'll need it for our special TP blaster. Let's load up and go. Come on, Caine. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Uh-oh, he's got decoys. Puppet decoys. Well, we've got TP, and we're not afraid to use it. Yeah, we got him. Looks like a job for 2-ply. Good. Now we can track him. Ooh, sure beats using breadcrumbs. And just look what we found. A metal detector. Now let's check out this sandbox. Oh, I think we found something. I know. Pour on some soda and dig it out. Now let's wash it off. It's an apple. A used apple. I think it's a clue. Check out those teeth marks. This'll make a copy of the bite. And see if we can find a match. Okay, letters, open your mouth. We've got a match. It's O. Or should I say, Caine? Aha! But the big question is, why'd you do it? A clue. But how do we decipher it? Ah, just what we need. Rose-colored glasses. Just needs to be a little rosier. Yes, it says 3 p.m. at the park. Come on, let's go. It's Pomni and Jax. What's he up to? A bouquet? Oh, I guess Caine was just playing Cupid.